at the second day of World Mithai and Namkeen Expo 2025, and currently we are at Chamunda Packtech stall, and we are having with us Miss Rajvi Panchal from Chamunda Packtech. How are you, Rajvi?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How about you?
Fine, fine. So, how are you gaining traction on the second day of World Mithai and Namkeen Expo right now?
Yeah, so we are getting a good number of crowd at our stall, and I would like to tell you that we are here for the first time. We are the participating here for the first time, but we are getting a good number of customers at our stalls.
So, coming on to the product segment which they are actually exhibiting the pouch filler machines here. So, they are exhibiting VFFS with multi-head system pouch filling machine. So, how are you? What are the specifications of VFFS with multi-head system?
Okay, so I would like to tell you that the full form of the VFFF is the vertical form fill machines, and the specifications are that they are very good at weighing the granule products like namkeen or pulses, groceries. So they are very good at weighing the granule product, and yeah, it's the machine, the what you said, which is VFFS. So the role of that machine is they make the pouch out of the roll. They don't have a pre-made pouch. It forms the pouch out of the roll.
Okay. So, this machine can be customized according to the product size and the requirement.
Yes, definitely. It can get customized according to the customer's demand. So if they want to go for the granules product, they can go with the multi-head system. And if they have a powder thing like spices powder or a flour, maida, suji, then they can definitely go with the auger filling system.
So, the second machine which they have is called VFFS with servo base auger filling system. So, can you just tell more about this machine? How it working? What type of product segment you are catering with this machine?
Yeah. So I just mentioned earlier that we have another machine which is specifically for the powder products like spices powder is there. Then we have a flour, we have a maida, we have suji. So basically, this machine works in a powder material, and it has a screw system inside that machine, so which measures, like, suppose I want to pack a 250 grams of turmeric powder. So the machine which you can see, they have a screw system, so they measure through the screw and then they pack 250 grams. Yeah, so in weighing system they have a bucket, they have a 10 head, 14 head bucket, and then they weigh according to that. But in auger filler we have a screw system which measures through the screw.
Apart from these machines, what type of machines you have with you?
Like in the display we have a VFFS with multi-head weighing system, and apart from that we have in a powder filling system, we have in a liquid filling system also.
Okay. Thank you, Rajiv. Thank you very much for
Thank you so
interacting.
much.
Thank you.